Hi Carver artists! I'm sorry that we can't have class together today, but know that I miss you and I'm wishing you well. We're still going to start this video with our art affirmation, so be ready, we're going to do it together. 1, 2, 3. I am positive. You are creative. I am calm. I am safe. Give yourself that extra squeeze for Miss Ryan because I love you so much. You are amazing. We are artists. Nice job. Last week during our Google Meet and on Schoology, we've been talking about shape. So today I want to show you 2 examples of how organic shapes and geometric shapes can be used in art. Organic shapes are found in nature, they're free form. Remember my outfit from last week? It had a bunch of, I don't know, like kind of blobby shapes on it. Geometric shapes are more linear. They have straight lines. They're perfectly perfect. So my outfit today, I'm wearing a top that has geometric shapes on it. There are triangles, different triangles that form a hexagon, I think. There's like some pentagons, all kinds of shapes that are geometric on the outfit that I'm wearing today. And then I've got, oh look, my earrings are geometric, but then they have organic shapes on it and colors. I don't know, can you really see? You know, let's just try and match what we're learning to help you learn better. So an example of how geometric shapes can be used in an artwork include this painting by Paul Klee, where he uses, here we go, I got it. You got this, Miss Ryan. Squares and rectangles and triangles in all different colors to create what looks like a city. It's called, I don't know what that's called. It's a word in another language that Margemschahausen. It's German because Paul Klee was from Germany. And I probably said it all wrong, and I'm so sorry, Mr. Paul Klee. But that's how geometric shapes can be used to create an artwork. This is an artwork that I picked up at Target. You know how much I love Target. And it uses organic shapes to show different plants. Now, do they look like real plants that you can probably find out in nature? Maybe. They're a little abstract, which means they look familiar, but they don't look exactly right. But this is an example of how you can use organic shapes to create art. This one has all different colors, different types of lines and shapes, but they're kind of blobby, they're kind of free form. So if we look at the difference to compare the two, Paul Klee's is much more vertical, and this one's more free form. So that's pretty cool. When we're back in school in person, we'll use geometric shapes and organic shapes a lot to create our artwork. I want to read you a story about shapes. The book I'm going to read to you is called Shape-asaurus. Raise your hand if you like dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs. Oh, this is a big book. Just that. There we go. Crick, crack, crick, crack. What's that noise? Oval Tyrannosaurus Rex eggs are starting to hatch. The sun is a big bright circle that keeps the baby Tyrannosaurus warm. A big book. Square rocks are a good place for the Tyrannosauruses to take a rest. Those are some perfectly square rocks. The young Tyrannosauruses hide as the Velociraptor tears through the jungle with crescent claws. Do you see his crescent claws? There they are. They kind of look like moons or like a cat's claws. They see a Stegosaurus with diamond-shaped plates on its back. Run, Tyrannosauruses! That cone-shaped volcano is going to explode. When nighttime comes, the Tyrannosauruses see stars shining through the darkness. The little Tyrannosauruses aren't so little anymore. They see a Triceratops chewing leaves with flat teeth that look like rectangles. That makes the Tyrannosauruses hungry. Then the Tyrannosauruses use their pointy triangle-shaped teeth to chomp on some bones. Yum! When the Tyrannosauruses are all grown up, they will have their own nest full of oval-shaped eggs. Crick, crack, crick, crack. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. Before I end my video, I do want to remind all of you that there is some work in Schoology that needs to be finished by the end of this week, by this Friday, October 23rd, okay? I am showing first grade right now, but kindergarten, first grade, and second grade all have the same work, so anything that I talk about in this course should apply to your course as well. Okay, grown-ups, this applies to kindergarten, first, and second grade, I promise. All right, so by the time you look at your Schoology course, the update on your page will look different because that's where this video that you're watching right now will be posted. So this update is from last week's, but your update will be different. You're gonna scroll down, and the folder that we're working on is 1012 to 1023, Unit 1, Elements of Art, Learning Set 2, Shape. Okay, that is the folder that we're working on. I do have a video that I posted last week that shows you how to navigate the art folder for Shape. I have a narration recorded for the text on the folder, and I included a picture of shapes just to remind you that it's the Shape folder. The line folder is also down here just in case you're missing anything and you need to go back and complete that. But right now my focus is on Shape. So you're going to click on the name of the folder and it's going to open up. There are 4 things in this folder that you have to either look at or do. You want to start working your way through the folder by clicking on the first thing, which is Getting Started. So when that opens up, you're going to see pictures, the video, there's narrations of me reading all of the text, so no worries about that, and pictures for you to look at, okay? When you've gone through this whole page, you're going to click Next at the top, which takes you to the second page, Learn the Types of Shapes. There's text that I've included a narration for. There's pictures of geometric shapes versus organic shapes. There's a shape sorter document, super easy peasy. From there, you're going to click Next at the top again. And this is a shape walk activity. It's kind of like a shape scavenger hunt. It's not anything that needs to be turned in. It's just something fun for you to do with a grown-up in your life or a sibling or maybe a friend that lives close by. I've included narrations that reads all the directions, but really you're just going to go on a scavenger hunt in and around your home. So maybe in the kitchen you find lots of circles because plates are circles and cups have circles on them. Maybe, you know, in your closet there's lots of rectangles and squares because of shoe boxes. Okay, so you're going to go around your house, your yard, maybe a park if the weather's nice and you have a grown-up with you. You're just going to come up with a shape scavenger hunt. If you would like to send me a picture of your scavenger hunt, you can email it to me, but you don't have to. It's really just for you. So after you've looked at that, you're going to click Next at the top, and this is a quiz. It's a really one question quiz where you're going to click and drag words to match the pictures of shapes. Okay, so let me see if I can show it to you. You're going to click Start New Attempt if you haven't done it already. And I'm not going to give you the answers, but there's a narration of the question. You see the pictures, and down here at the bottom are the words that you can click and drag to match each picture, okay? And these also have me narrating them. Let's see if you can hear it. You might not be able to, I don't know, with this recording.
Organic.
Okay, so make sure you do that. I'm going to click Close and go back to the folder. Next week we are starting something new, so please try to get these shapes activities done this week. I don't think that they're super duper hard, so try your best, okay? And again, I'm sorry that we couldn't be together today, but I will see you next Tuesday when we start something new. I love you and I miss you, and I'll see you next week. Bye.